How do I build PCs again? Hey, I'm Keely from Thermaltake Australia and welcome to our 2021 Christmas build. For our final build of the year, we wanted to do something a little bit fun and festive, so that's what we're gonna do. Does Johnny think the video won't work? Yep. So I'm gonna prove him wrong. I hope. Oh boy. So let's get on with the build. We're starting with the motherboard. So we're going with an Intel Core i5. If I can.
One hour later.
Nope. That's not. Don't tell Nick. Please. Yay! I'm pretty sure that's done. Okay, RAM. We're using 16 gigs. It took me way too long to find. 16 gigs of XG Tough RAM. Not Tough RAM, XG. It is Tough RAM XG, RGB, and it's white. It goes in this way, right? I'm so glad I'm editing this because like then I can be like, I'm an idiot. But then also there's a good chance I'll cut everything out and it's gonna be like a 2-second video. Whoop. M.2 Seagate 5 CUDA 2 terabyte? 2 terabyte. Oh, this goes in like upside down. That's fun. Woo. And then it's got the little stopper, but the stopper doesn't actually stop it. Oh no, it does. Cool. I think it's because this is missing 2 screws. But it's fine. It's fine. Okay. Let's put it here. The standoffs aren't in the right spot.
Are you putting it in the right way?
I don't think so.
I don't think you are either.
Oh.
Yeah, that'll do it.
So it goes in that way because this isn't like a normal case and I'm silly. I look forward to all the "she doesn't know what she's doing" comments because they're probably right. But not completely. It's a little baby X, but I'm just... I'm an artist, okay? An artiste. So yeah, no, that just feels right. That just feels right, okay? It just feels... That went in way easier than I was expecting. PCIe, which goes to the graphics card, right? Yeah, I thought so. I knew it. I'm not silly all the time. I'm going to put the bracket on, which I probably should have done before. Boop. I'm going to cable manage and then pop the panels on. Moment of truth.
It's not plugged in.
It's not plugged in. Moment of truth, take 2. And there we go, a cute festive inspired PC build in our Tower 100 Racing Green. Is it perfect? No, not really. Do I care? Yeah, I do actually. Anyway, if you did enjoy the video, please leave it a like so Jono doesn't fire me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and ring a ding dong that bell to be notified every time we upload. And while you're still here, feel free to check out these 2 Thermaltake videos around me. And happy holidays, everyone. Bye.
Jingle jangle away.
Jingles.